Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Kajeri. So if you're new here, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. It's so sad that Magdalene Njeri, who is better known as Nyambu Ithaga Riene on the Ithaga Riene Inooro TV show, has left his fans and followers in tears and some in dilemma after taking this on her Facebook page. Nyambu Ithaga Riene has broken the sad news on her Facebook page regarding the fact that she has left the Ithaga Riene Inooro TV show. On the post, this is what she wrote. It has been a beautiful journey of 5 good years. Inooro being the best TV station, lakini if only they knew vile tumekrashiwa huku chini by the ones they trusted with our salaries. Love Inooro, and given another chance, I would do another show. And she concluded by wishing the Royal Media Services all the best. On the comment sections, Nyambu fans seems not to accept the fact that Nyambu has finally left the show. But all in all the best on her next move. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell.